皆さんこんにちは。元気ですか？この人は私と一緒に日本語を勉強しているマットくんです。
こんにちは。
ようこそ。Do you want to do a 自己紹介?
Is that introduction?
Self-intro.
Self-intro. Okay. こんにちは皆さん。私の名前はマットだ。私は花と一緒にオックスフォードで勉強しています。去年の10月から勉強しています。短い時間だけ勉強しています。
そんなに長くなくても日本語めっちゃ上手くなってきましたので、今日は Q&A します。Twitter の皆さんが面白い質問を聞いてくれました。最初は
日本人の教授はいますか？
はい、います。日本語の授業は先生はみんな日本人ですけど、日本の文化とか歴史とか文学とか勉強しているとき、日本人ではありません。なんかイギリス人、
はい、
オーストラリア人、アメリカ人、いろんな人が
デンマーク人
人もいました。オックスフォード大学でなんか世界中の人がみんな集まってきてます。What is the emphasis on vocab, grammar, literature, colloquialism, or all of the above? Or pronunciation or accent?
I would say sort of a mixture of everything really. Like we don't really go into colloquialization much. Yeah.
We have grammar lessons, which I don't, because Matt's in the other class from me, but in our class we do like grammar exercises, but then it kind of just turns into like having a conversation with the teacher.
I mean, I think we've got to the stage where it's sort of similar, but we're still learning like basic vocab and stuff.
And we have applied skills, which is like learning what to do, like learning kind of set phrases for different situations, and that's also listening practice as well. And we have writing class, which is where you write a little sakubun, a little mini essay in Japanese, and kanji class, and reading class. So there's a pretty good spread. I mean,
it's very sort of all-encompassing.
Yeah. And because it's such small class sizes, they can kind of emphasize what you need work on. So like for me, in every single of those lessons, they're always talking to me about kanji, because kanji is my weak point. So like even when I'm doing grammar, I'll like say something and she'll be like, Hannah, what's the kanji for that? And like in my reading class, she makes me read the hard kanji.
Oh yeah, I get that. I get that in every class.
So right now we finished all our classes for this year, and now we have 1 week to study super hard.
Everything.
And then we have exams. Yay.
Are there any apps or websites in recent years you found helpful to supplement your learning? I know.jp got stale IMO lol.
Lol. I don't know oh that's not right. I don't know I know.jp. I haven't heard of that one. I still use Imiwa all the time. It's an app that I have on my iPhone and my iPad. It's so good because you don't have to be connected to the internet to use it. So it takes up quite a lot of space on your phone.
Yeah.
But like it does it does both English to Japanese, Japanese to English. It also has French and German and Spanish.
Well, what sort of thing is that? Is that grammar or
it's like a huge dictionary, so you can put anything in and you can put it in. So if I put like, let's look up the word for flower, which is hana. If I write in hana in Romaji, then it comes up with all the options and then words that have like the sound hana in them. And you can look up kanji by radical. So if you look at a kanji and you don't know how to read it, you can search it. I mean, and it's just so good. I love
really good another thing like that online is jisho.org.
Jisho.org.
It's brilliant. Like again, you can do kanji by stroke order, words, everything. Yeah, English, Japanese, Japanese, English. In terms of apps, I would really recommend Memrise for beginners.
Oh yeah, Memrise.
Memrise is brilliant.
I used Memrise for all my A levels. I used it for my Latin and my French and my German.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so good for vocab learning because it's fun. It's like a game. Like
it's it uses spaced repetition as well, which means it knows when you need to sort of learn the words again, and the ones that you don't know, it will sort of make a shorter time span of it repeating, and then
Hello. How are you? We're making a YouTube video.
We're still recording.
We're still recording.
Why didn't you shut the door?
These are my friends Em and Joe. They live in my building.
Let's speak Japanese with them.
Okay.
Do you want to speak some Japanese?
Yeah, teach us.
皆さん、こんにちは。
皆さん、こんにちは。
Get down so your head's in it.
Minasan konnichiwa.
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 こんにちは。
私
私
No.
の
Watashi.
の
の
名前
名前
This feels long.
は
は
That's how our whole
And then you
degree
say your
is.
name. And you say your name?
ジョー。
です。
Yes.
完璧。
10
10 out of 10.
You should talk to me in Chinese, they'll like that.
How about
How about, what does that mean?
means okay.
YouTube.
Bye. Bye, Joanne.
Thing. Bye.
See you later. Will you shut the door, please?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
ドアを閉めて
閉めてください。
I got it wrong.
Anki. I don't use Anki because for the iPhone it costs like 20 quid.
Yeah,
But
I
for
mean,
Android
is
phones
free,
and for on
yeah.
your computer, it's free.
But you have to put everything in, which is like simultaneously a good and bad thing. Because I mean, it's very creative. You get to do what you
You
want
can
to
make
do.
it to fit you. But our nice friend Frank did it all for us, so we're
Thank you,
okay.
Frank.
次は留学する日本の大学は政党によって違うの？自分で選べる？選べません。
Yeah.
いいえ、オックスフォード大学でみんなは神戸大学に行きます。
はい
私たちはなんか7人だけですから、なんかみんな一緒にでいられるのは嬉しいです。
After learning hiragana and katakana, what would you recommend be the next step to take when wanting to learn Japanese?
What was the first thing you learned at the beginning of this year?
The first thing, well, before I came to Oxford, they made us learn hiragana and katakana, like how to pronounce it and everything. You sort of get stuck in with everything, really. So start with the kanji, sort of take it at a moderate pace whilst you're learning grammar. Grammar's essential. And
Yeah.
like, keep building vocab. That's where using memrise is essential. So.
Yeah. Well, actually, I didn't start with learning hiragana and katakana because I kind of started with speaking, like, because I just sort of imitated stuff that I heard on anime and things like that.
Yeah, that's sort of
And like,
opposite
Yeah.
for me.
so if you only have hiragana and katakana, I would recommend start off with some basic phrases, learn how to have a basic conversation, learn to introduce yourself, learn to talk about school, your life.
Yeah. Also learning forms at the same time.
Oh yeah,
whilst
all
there's-
grammar as well.
Yeah.
I think it's a lot of it's personal choice because everyone has their own things that they are. Everyone has strong points and weak points when learning a language, and everyone has their own way of learning it. 日本に行ったら何を見て何をして何を食べたいと思いますか？どんな人と友達になりたいと思いますか？どう思いますか？行きたいところあるんですか？
意味がわかりません。
Okay. When we go to Japan, what do we want to see, do, eat, and what kind of people do we want to make friends with? 日本語で言ってみて。
山を登りたい。日本語はとてもいい。
いろんなところに行きたいです。なんか日本、神戸だけではなく、日本全部行きたいです。
はい
それで買い物いっぱいしたいです。あと、なんかいろんな食べ物食べてみたい。なんか神戸大学に行くので、なんか1回だけでも神戸ビーフ
Oh yeah.
食べてみたいです。
とても有名だ。
有名です。あ、どんな人と友達になりたいと思いますか？日本人。
誰でも。
誰でも。We have to be proactive in making friends and like go out there and talk to people.
I mean, like if people are nice, like
Yeah.
we'll talk to you.
Anybody, I'll be friends
Be
with
friends
anybody.
with us, please.
Shout out. Also, will you be there for Christmas? Shout out to my little neighbour Anna. Hey, miss you. Yeah, I think I am gonna stay in Japan over Christmas.
If you're gonna try and go to Tokyo.
Yeah, I would
During
love to go
Christmas.
to Tokyo for Christmas.
So,
Go to Tokyo Disney World for Christmas. That would be so cute.
so recommend a way, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please recommend what's fun to do in Japan at Christmas. Some of the others have already booked flights home,
But not us.
but not us. Because our winter break is from the 28th of December till the 3rd of January.
1週間だけ。
1週間だけでクリスマスの後です。なんかイギリス人にとってクリスマスはなんか家族と一緒に過ごすなんかすごく大事な時間ですけど、日本は違いますね。
Yeah.
でもなんか日本に留学しますから、なんか日本のクリスマスを 経験したいです。東京に行こ
From all your experiences, what are useful wisdom to share about the best ways to study Japanese? Arigato.
う。Okay, should we do like, if you had to give like one in a sentence as a tip for studying Japanese, what would that be in one sentence?
Be consistent, I'd say.
Consistent.
Just keep at it. Like
Mhm.
sometimes it's been very tough learning it in like this environment, being like so rigorous, having to
Intense.
learning all the kanji whilst learning vocab and new grammar. Just like keep at it. If you enjoy it, you'll want to continue. Just so get it done. Really.
頑張れ.
Hi.
For me, it would be, don't be shy or embarrassed. Like, just put yourself out there, talk to as many people as you can, use your Japanese or like languages in general. Just use it as much as you can. Take every opportunity there is, and like, yeah, that's it. Do you have a technique for learning kanji more easily? I wish I had a technique. What are you doing at the moment for kanji?
So what I do is when I start off, when you want to learn how to write it, I just get a big folder and just write it out like maybe 100 times just to memorize it, how to write it in my mind, so that when I use flashcards afterwards, which are brilliant, like use Anki maybe if you want to do it on your phone, or actual flashcards in sort of real life. So you do like on one side you do a kanji word. Like it's brilliant to learn the kanji readings in words. Like if you just learn the kun reading, which I made this mistake at the start. So I would just try and learn the kun and the on reading just like out of isolation. There's no point doing that because like you're not learning new vocab.
Yeah.
It doesn't really help that much.
Yeah, make
So
it in words.
flashcards and repetition. That's
Yeah.
my
We have kanji tests every week, and I would like have it in my brain for the kanji test, and I'd be able to write it, but then I'd just immediately forget it. It wouldn't stick in my head.
Exactly.
And last term, I was writing vocab with kanji in them on post-it notes and sticking them in places around my room that were relevant.
Yeah.
So like I'd write tsumetai and I'd stick it on my fridge, or like I'd write tenki and put it on my window next to the sky. Like that was quite good because it's very visual and physical, and you think, oh, I remember putting this here, so it must mean something to do with that, blah blah blah. And like if you see it written down, you'd be like, oh, what was that? Oh yeah, that kanji was stuck to my fridge. It must mean
Yeah.
something that's similar to fridge. I haven't done that so much this term. I've been trying to get on flashcards as well. And it's quite fun. It's like therapeutic to like write them out prettily,
Yeah.
like on a flashcard, and to have like a nice pile of nice things.
And
So
it's good procrastination, to be honest. Just
it
keep
is, and
writing
it
them
doesn't. If you're just writing them out, it goes in your head, but it doesn't feel like real work. So like, I'll like listen to music or listen to a podcast and make my pretty flashcards, and then later on test myself on them.
うん。
Okay, 皆さん質問ありがとうございました
あ。りがとう。
聞いてくれてありがとう。見てくれてありがとうございました。マットさん来てくれてありがとうございました。Okay, bye guys. Thank you so
Bye.
much. See you later.